So I got the Covert Instruments FNG kit as a gift. So I'm on day 3 of doing this. Got the Master Lock No3. Got a bunch of them. Let's see if I can single pin pick this on camera. I'm oversetting it. Let's try to zip it. There we go. Able to zip that one open. Try another number 3. These are all keyed differently. Starting at the back. There we go. There's another number 3, just a longer shackle. There we go. Felt it, so I zipped it at the end there. So that's all 3. This is one of the Harbor Freight security bunker or whatever, 50mm. See if I can zip it. This one is sometimes easier than the Master Locks. I'm not having any luck. Some pin. Maybe I'll try raking it. There we go. Maybe I'll rake that one open. Now we have a Master Lock 140. Start at the back, single pin. I'm oversetting it. Try the rake. Oh, that was easy. So, Master Lock 140 raked open. This is the Abus 5540. Try to single pin it. Turn at the back. put something there. Oh, there we go. That was the 5540 again. So day 3, I'm just using the FNG kit, the turner, the rake, and the hook. And the nerd that I am, after playing around with this, I decided to 3D print little holders for my new Harbor Freight mini toolbox. So I prototyped these up to go on the lid, or then also they can go here. I still have to figure out how to do the turning wrenches, but it's all magnets. So let's see, I can close the lid. Everything's there. I have a leashy tool. It's kind of what got me interested in lockpicking more. I just bought a truck that didn't come with a physical key, so got this, decoded it, and cut my own physical key with a leashy cutter as well. So I was gifted this, the Covert Companion. Also kind of sparked the interest. So right now I've just got the drawers full of keys, and then other locks that now I've frantically gone out and purchased to go along with the ones I just opened in the video today. So hope you enjoyed. I could share these files if anyone wants them. They're just also using the magnets from Harbor Freight as well. So